Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade and today we'll take a look at the History tab. We recently released an update to the History tab, making it easier to view your trading history, allocation changes, crypto transfers, and more. To see the changes we've made, navigate to the History tab, where you can view the history of each portfolio linked to the selected exchange account. When we first click into the History tab, the history for all of the portfolios will be displayed together. The name of the portfolio is here, so we can tell which portfolio each event happened. This provides an overall view of the history of assets on this exchange account. We can filter the history data in multiple ways. We can select a specific portfolio or multiple portfolios to view the history for those portfolios. We can search for a specific asset to see all of the trading history for that asset. We also see our current balance displayed for each asset held. You can also choose which type of history is displayed. You can view the history for each strategy change, rebalance period change, transfer of cryptocurrencies, cold storage changes, rebalances attempted and completed, and any updates to API keys. When reviewing rebalance history, we can see more information about the trades by clicking View Details. This will show all of the trades that were completed during the rebalance. If there was an error trading an asset, that will be displayed here as well. The History tab will display the history of the selected exchange account. If we want to see the history for another connected exchange, we can use the drop-down to select the exchange and then view the history. If you have any questions about viewing your trading history, please reach out to the support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.